Hello team, Raphael here on optimizing images. So there's two major things that we optimize in images. One, we can optimize from keyword perspective, title and all sorts of Exif data inside a photo. And then the other thing that we can do is to geotag it to a particular address. All right. I haven't found a tool to do both really well yet. We used to use Picasa, and Google has phase that out. So I'm using a couple of different tools to paste this process together. So bear with me. So first we're going to go into the keywords. Look how many keywords that I'm optimizing for. Get images, and then take them into the tool. So um, in this case, this is a local client. We have identified 5 keywords. It's actually 6. I have one in SEO Profiler. So I need 6 images. And what I've done, I have requested from Chelsea and the design team the Dropbox file for the images that they're using for their website. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab some images and download them. So I'm going to grab 6 images, and I'm just going to pick them, download them. 1, 2, 3. You see that I really don't care what I'm picking. For especially, this is a brand new company and site. We just want to make sure that we have images in Google Places that are going to work. 5. So I mean, I do care. I'm picking images that I like. 6. But we don't have to split hairs, I guess is what I'm saying. So now I've downloaded 6 images. I'm going to go into my Finder and make this guy a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. And I'll see that my images are downloaded here. So now I need to put them all into one folder that I'm going to import into my Exif editing tool, right? So I'm going to come in here, create a new folder. I'm going to call it Cryo because that's what I'm working on at the moment right now. Or Cryo Optimized Images. Because once I put them in here, it's going to pop out some optimized images here for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my guys. I'm going to move them into that folder, and boom. Now I have them in the folder. Thank you here. I'm going to go open my Exif tool for editing the Exif files. And this is a really cool strategy because it's hard to make these edits, and which means that other people don't do it. Or it's likely they haven't done it. Come on. Come play with me. Here we go. Okay, so here it is. It's open. And it's got something. The file cannot be found. Clear all. Clear all. I'm just going to go cancel. The file open. Import records from a file. I'm going to call it. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to hit open. Oh no, I'm sorry. I want to import. When I try to import as a file, it doesn't work. If I try to import as a folder, it seems to work better. Specify the folder. My downloads. Cryo. Choose. Continue. Bring it all over. Import. Okay. Now I have now I have my images, and I'm going to work through. So first I'm going to grab my first keyword, cryotherapy. I'm going to enter it into here. Boom. Search. It's going to give me, this tool is giving me other keywords I can add into this image, making it more relevant. But I'm going to take out the stuff that's not relevant, like cryotherapy deaf. I don't want that. Chamber, near me, machine, benefits, Nashville, Tennessee. That's not relevant to me. I'm in Atlanta. I don't want to, in Charlotte. I definitely don't want to confuse the search engines, right? Now, I'm going to add the keyword here with my geography, which is Atlanta. cryotherapy. Always hit rename image to match. This is very important. I'm going to put here Cryo Club of Atlanta, the actual name of the client, Cryo Club of Atlanta. And that's really cool to do for a copyright notice on these images. And then in description, I'm going to just grab the image title, and I'm going to use a quality modifier like best. Oops, Control Z. Control Z, what happened here? Atlanta. Goodness gracious. You gotta be careful with what you're doing here. Atlanta. Cryotherapy. You want to make sure things are spelled right. This is search, y'all. If it's not spelled right, we're not doing anybody any justice. Okay? Now this one is ready. I'm not going to hit apply data or anything like that. I'm going to do it all at the end. That's very important. If you apply data early, you kind of mess up this whole process. And it's kind of a pain in the butt, and I'm sorry, it's a pain in the butt. I'm showing you how I do it. Just remember, you're working with tools that experts aren't creating. Other search marketers like us are creating. So they're not always perfect. So here I am, taking out death on that. Taking out anything that's not relevant. For sales, not relevant, near me, temperature, YouTube. I'm going to take all these other ones out. What's up, babe? I'm playing a cryotherapy, and then I'm going to grab the title, put it here, and I'm going to use another quality modifier. This time I'm going to use top. So I usually rotate between top and best. Copyright notice. Let's again put in the client name, Cryo Club of Atlanta. There might be a way to automate this, and it'll be very interesting to see that. Next image. Grab keyword, cryotherapy chamber. Going to here. Drop it in. Hit search. Autocomplete. Take out the stuff that's not relevant. Near me. Nashville. Nope. Cryo reviews. Chamber research. New Orleans. No. Boston. No. Risks. I'll keep that. It's kind of relevant. Then again, geo modifier. Atlanta. Grab Sarah Chamber and grab title. We're back to best. Again, I'm toggling back from one into the other. And client name, Cryo Club of Atlanta. The name of the game with optimization is always, it's just to do more than other people do. Like I mentioned earlier, changing this information is it's not easy, it's difficult. And which gives us an advantage by being able to do it. Okay, dropping in the keyword, search, copy autocomplete, whole body cryotherapy, machines, research, reviews, costs, chambers, Boston, nope, don't want that. Before and after, death, nope, don't want that. And near me, I like those. Geo modifier. Ooh, guess what I haven't been doing? I just remembered. Always click this box. So this is the second time I go through this because I didn't click this box and hit apply all and messed everything up. Look, I forgot to do it here. I forgot to do it here. I did it for the first one and not to any of the other ones. Okay, now I'm on track. So, which brings it a good point, is that before you hit, oops, Control Z, before you hit apply all, always check all the images, make sure everything is exactly the way you want it, or you're going to be doing this several times and you're going to get upset. Cryo Club of Atlanta. Oh, it's trying to, ooh, looks like I have a misspelling somewhere. And that's interesting. I think I'm going to do the Cryo Club last, because I can just copy and paste that later. Here we're going to go back best or top. Next image. Cryotherapy weight loss. Search. Copy autocomplete. Get rid of stuff. Before and after wet result. San Antonio. No. We don't want to confuse the search engine. Side effects. Weight loss. Chicago. No. Weight loss reviews. New York. No. Cryotherapy weight loss study. Weight loss. Denver. No. And then Atlanta. Cryotherapy weight loss. And then, remember, rename image, copy, top, where I'm at now. Next image. And the next image was Cryo Atlanta, or Atlanta Cryo. That's the last keyword. Atlanta Cryo. Search. Gave me some cool keywords. Atlanta Cryotherapy, Atlanta Cryobank, Atlanta Cryogenics, Atlanta Cryo, CryoLife Atlanta, Cryotherapy, Cryobank. I think it's a competitor, but if they're in Atlanta, I'm okay with having some little SEO and some other stuff here. Special. I like it all. Keyword already has the area. Oh, nope. Cryo. Or the geo, what I call the geo modifier. Atlanta Cryo. Best. Atlanta Cryo. Rename. Okay, so now I'm at all of the images are done. I have to put is the title on everybody. Make sure it's right. So Cryo Club. I'm going to copy that so it's easy to do. I'm going to look at the previous one. Is it renamed? Yes. Do I have the title with the keyword, modifier, keywords? Yep. And I'm just going to kind of move quickly. Oh, we have copyright notice. Next. Yep. This guy has everything. Great. This guy has everything. Great. This guy has everything. Great. This guy has everything except it was spelled. Remember, check spelling. Okay. Now, I'm going to hit apply all to this, and it's going to apply this data to the images in my folder. And you see data is written. So I'm going to end this video now. Now I've optimized the keywords in the images, and we're going to move forward to figuring out a way to geotag. And I say figuring out because I'm still trying to figure out what's the best tool to use for that. All right. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.